My name is Jesse. I'm from the company called EPG, which is Ehrhardt and Partner Group Solutions. We are here in collaboration with Peacock Brothers, representing Lydia Voice, which is a pick-by-voice technology used in a warehouse. There are a lot of other products in the market, but we are quite unique because we use AI in our product. That is, we use deep neural network algorithms for voice recognition. So in a warehouse for other products, it takes around 45 minutes, but whereas we use speaker-independent recognition, wherein the user has to just put the vest on and start using the software without any edit. So probably I'll give you a quick demo of the device. So what I have here is a small representation of a warehouse. We have this vest which is connected to a Zebra device, an Android device, and then I'll just follow the instructions. Repeat.
New order with 4 positions.
Start order.
L2.
Okay.
Rack 5, shelf 11.
So it asks me to go to particular rack 5, shelf 11. Now I have to confirm that I'm at the right bin location by confirming the check digit. 08.
2 pieces.
2.
Rack 5, shelf 12.
80.
1 piece.
1.
Rack 5, shelf 21.
92.
1 piece.
1.
Rack 5, shelf 22.
07.
2 pieces.
2.
Order finished. Please specify next action.
Microphone off.
Microphone off.
There are a lot of benefits that Lydia offers over the other products. First reason, as I mentioned earlier, is that we use AI in our product. The latest one that we have added is live translation, wherein in the European market, where each and every country has its own language. So what it does is it converts a language spoken by one person, and you can hear it in another language in the other person. So that's one of the advantages, but the main benefit is the AI inclusion, which recognizes the voice with different dialects, different accents. And the second reason, as I mentioned, is we do not depend on the voice recognition templates. Other traditional voice products spend around 45 minutes for each and every user to train their voice in order for them to use it. But whereas Lydia Voice is just, you can plug it on and then start using the device anytime you want. So if you have, let's say in a warehouse, you have different kinds of picking technologies. Yeah, the basic one is paper-based picking, where you use the paper, it shows the bin location and the quantity to be picked and the item to be picked. That's a very, very, very old traditional way. And then the next comes the RF based or a scanner based, where everything is on the scanner. Yeah, and the next is pick by voice. The advantage of pick by voice over the previous ones is that it has, let's say for example, if you're using a scanner, you have to, your eyes are busy and also your hands are busy. You have to hold the device and also you have to look at the device and then go to a location, scan it and put the device somewhere else and then do it. But whereas if pick by voice, either by the vest or the headset, everything is hands-free, eyes-free and also headset-free.